today we're working on opinion writing, and yesterday you should have listened to the story of Tops and Bottoms by Janet Stevens. If you listened to the story, you found out that it is about two main characters, Rabbit and Bear is kind of lazy, and Rabbit is kind of tricky. So Rabbit's family has fallen into some hard times, and so they need to get ahead quickly. So his plan to get ahead is to trick Bear because Bear is so lazy. So hopefully you had a chance to listen to the story. If you haven't listened to the story yet, you need to listen to the story before you attempt your writing. All right. Well, we know that readers can express an opinion. They can have an opinion when they read a book. Do I like this book? Do I like the characters? Do I like the way the story unfolded? That's your opinion, and everyone has one. And today we're going to write just our opinion, so there's not a right or a wrong answer. And everyone's will probably be different, okay? So writers can write about their opinion and tell why they feel that way. So I'm going to share with you my writing and my opinion of the story. So, do you think it was okay for Hare to trick Bear? Why or why not? So, I'm going to share my opinion. First of all, I drew a picture, not a great picture, but an okay picture of Bear and Hare, okay? And I wrote that I don't think tricking anyone is kind, even if that person is foolish and lazy. So that's my opinion. I didn't think it was right for Hare to trick Bear. I think that he should have just been honest about what he was up to and tried to make a fair deal with Bear. Even if Bear wasn't necessarily good, he should have still done the right thing. So I want you guys to write what your opinion is. If you want to use my example, you may. That's why I've provided it. Or you may do your own. Happy writing!